Hello, Primer 3, and welcome back. This is me, MS Rehab Ahmed. I hope all of you are okay. Today we'll complete Unit 8, Lesson 2, Grammar, How much and how many, at the museum. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to differentiate between countable and uncountable nouns, form questions by using how much and how many, answer questions in the student book pages 30, 31, 32, and 33. Are you ready? Sure, you are ready. Now, would you please open page 30 in your student book? Yes, I need in your student book page 30. Number 1, I have got some clay. I'm making 1 cup. Number 2, I'm making 2 cups. Number 3, I'm making 3 cups. Number 4, we are drinking some water. And now, let's start to explain countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns like apples, cars, dogs, stars. So countable noun something that I can count it. Countable noun something that I can count it. But uncountable noun like water, bread, grass. So uncountable noun something that I cannot count. Let's start with examples. Countable nouns. For example, like when I say how many stars can you see? I can see 3 stars, for example, okay? And when I say, how much bread do you have? I have 1 loaf of bread. So, countable noun, something that I can count it. But uncountable noun, something that I cannot count it. Countables, like what? Apples, cherries, grapes, olives, oranges, watermelons, peas. But uncountables, like what? Jam, milk, honey, water, coffee, tea, juice. And now let's explain the difference between much and many. Much is used with uncountable nouns. For example, how much money have you got? Here, guys, we cannot count money. That's why we used how much. We didn't spend much money. There isn't much data to download. Here also we cannot count data. That's why we used much. I'm sorry, but I don't have much time. Here also, we cannot count time. That's why we used much. But many is used with countable nouns. For example, I don't have many friends. Here, we can count friends. That's why we used many. There are too many disadvantages in this business. How many children do you have? Here, we can count children. That's why we used many. Now, would you please open your student book page 31? Yes, your student book page 31. Read and complete. We can count and we cannot count. We can count books. What else? Who can tell me? Yes, Mustafa. Wonderful. We can count tool. That's right. What else, Yasmina? Excellent. Portrait. Wonderful. We can count what, Lena? What else, Lena? Yes, my sweetie, Paul. That's right. And we can count what, Malik? Sculpture. That's right, my dear boy. And we cannot count medal. That's right. We cannot count medal. What else? Clothes. That's right. What else, Ali? Excellent. Water. That's right. And also we cannot count wood. That's right. And now, would you please open your student book page 32? Yes, page 32. Look, read and match. Number 1. How many bracelets are there? How many bracelets are there? It's already answered. Letter C. There are 6 bracelets. Number 2. How much clay is there? How much clay is there? Yes, Iyad? Excellent, my dear boy. Letter D. There is a lot of clay. Number 3. How much wood is there? How much wood is there? Yes, Malik? Excellent. Letter E. There isn't any wood. Number 4. How many sculptures are there? How many sculptures are there? Yes, Hamuzi. Excellent, my dear boy. Letter A. There are 2 sculptures. There are 2 sculptures. Number 5. How much water is there? How much water is there? Yes, Habiba? Excellent. Letter B. There isn't a lot of water. There isn't a lot of water. And the last question, number 6. How many books are there? How many books are there? Yes, Malak? Excellent. That's right. To be letter F, there aren't any books. There aren't any books. And now we are on page 33. Question number 5. Look at exercise 4 again. Write the items on the charts. Number 1, sculptures. Sculptures. Because in exercise number 4 we said there are 2 sculptures. Number 2, it will be book. Book. Because we said there aren't any books. Number 3, it will be bracelets. Bracelets. Because we said there are 6 bracelets. Here, it will be clay. Clay. Because we said in exercise number 4 there is a lot of clay. And this one, water. Water because we said there isn't a lot of water. And the last one, wood, because we said there isn't any wood. Question number 6, read and circle. Number 1, how much, many, wood is there? There is a lot of wood. Focus, guys. We cannot count wood. That's right. Right? We cannot count wood. That's why it will be how much wood? How much wood? Number 2. How many bracelets are there? There are 2 bracelets. Focus, I said bracelets. Bracelets, we can count it. Bracelets, a lot of bracelets. So how many bracelets? It's plural. So how many bracelets are there? Thank you. Number 3. How much? Many portraits are there? There are 4 portraits. Portraits, I can count it, right? So it will be how many? Thank you. Number 4. How much water is there? How much water is there? There aren't enough water. Focus, guys. We cannot count water, right? So it will be there isn't enough water. Thank you so much, guys. Finally, don't forget to do your homework in your activity book pages 16 and 17. Thank you so much. Bye. Love you.